Okay, hello. In this video, I would like to share my reflection after being involved in a webinar as well as my overall experience after taking the PE class. Reflection after the webinar, being involved in the webinar was a meaningful experience for me, especially because I was trusted to take the role of chairperson. This role gave me many valuable lessons. As a chairperson, I realized that leadership does not always mean speaking the most or being in the spotlight. I was responsible for ensuring the webinar runs smoothly, followed the planned schedule, and stayed aligned with the agenda. I need the I need to remain focused, prepared, and attentive through to the event. During the implementation of the webinar, there were several technical issues, particularly related to the Zoom operator and the closing session led by the MC. However, thanks to good coordination among the committee member and quick response, these issues were handled well. The webinar was able to continue smoothly until the end. From this experience, I learned the importance of staying calm, working together as a team, and adapting to unexpected situations. This experience also encouraged me to reflect on my comfort zone. I realized the I still feel hesitant and nervous when I comes to speaking in public. However, being trusted as a chairperson helped build my confidence in different way. Showed me that I am capable of taking responsibility and contributing meaningfully, even when my role is not always visible. I also gained a deeper understanding of the importance of teamwork. The success of a webinar does not depend only on the speaker, but also on strong coordination among the organizing committee. Seeing how everyone support each other, especially when facing challenges, made me appreciate collaboration and communication even more. Overall, this webinar experience helped me understand the personal growth and personal growth does not always come from visible moment, but often from with responsibilities that require focus and commitment. Reflection after taking the PE class in general. After taking the PE class, I feel that I gained more than just theoretical knowledge. This class helped me develop soft skills, self-awareness, and a better understanding of how to behave in both academic and professional environment. One of the most important reason I learned from the PE class is the ability to reflect on my own strengths and weakness. Through various activities, discussion, and assignment, I become more aware of my mindset, especially my fear of making mistake and speaking up. Over time, I started to realize the failure is not something to avoid, but a natural part of the learning process. The PE class also encouraged me to step outside my comfort zone. Even when I felt unsure, I learned the trying is better than staying silent because of fear. This mindset is closely related to my webinar experience when I learned that participation can take many forms and every role has its own importance. In addition, the class helped me develop a sense of responsibility and professionalism, managing deadline, working in team, and reflection on experience trained me to be more disciplined and accountable. I believe this skill will be very useful for my future academic journey and career. In conclusion, but both the webinar experience and the PE class have contributed significantly to my personal growth. They help me become more confident, more reflective, and more open to learning from experience. Although I am still in the process of improving myself, I am no more aware of my progress and motivated to continue developing my skill. Thank you.